Imagine waking up one day to find that your favorite beach is no longer there. The trees, the birds, the very air you breathe, all drastically altered. Would you consider that a nightmare? Because that's the trajectory we are on due to climate change. Climate change is not a myth or a distant threat. It's happening right now, and it's happening fast. The past decade was the hottest in recorded history, and the global temperature has already risen by 1.1 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial period. The ice sheets are melting at an unprecedented rate. The Arctic sea ice has declined by almost 13% per decade since 1980. The Greenland ice sheet is losing an average of 283 gigatons of ice per year. And it's not just the ice, our forests are burning too. The Amazon, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, has seen a disturbing increase in wildfires, with over 80,000 fires reported in 2019 alone. Sea levels are also rising. In the last century, the sea level has risen by about 8 inches. But the alarming fact is that almost half of that rise occurred in the last 25 years. If this continues, many coastal cities will be underwater by the end of this century. So what does this mean for us, for our children, and for the countless species that call this planet home? It means that we are on the brink of a climate crisis that threatens our very existence. But all is not lost. We still have time to turn things around. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the power to combat climate change. Start by reducing your carbon footprint. Drive less, recycle more, and switch to renewable energy sources. Plant trees because they absorb carbon dioxide, one of the main drivers of climate change. Support policies and companies that are environmentally friendly. Encourage your local government to invest in renewable energy sources and to enforce stricter pollution controls. Educate yourself and others about the realities of climate change. Knowledge is power, and the more people understand the urgency of the situation, the more likely they are to take action. And finally, remember that every little bit helps. Even small changes in our daily lives can add up to make a big difference. The fight against climate change is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And in this race, there is no silver medal for second place. We either win or we lose everything. So stand up, take action, and become a part of the solution. Because if not you, then who? And if not now, then when?